Hi Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 24th of May. Gemini, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Your channel message is the 5 of Pentacles, the 4 of Swords, and Shark. Okay, now I don't know if you're going through homelessness. All right, that's the 5 of Pentacles, is not having a lot. And we have the 4 of Swords. So I'm getting something about you taking refuge at a shelter. You're taking refuge at a church. I'm getting you homeless. Now I don't know if you are an immigrant and you come to a country, and I'm getting the first support group that you went to was a church. I'm getting you need a support system. I'm getting you went to a church for it first. I'm getting something about you sleeping at this church. You sleep on the sidewalk of this church. I'm also getting the 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Swords. So I'm getting something about you don't have a lot of money and you're staying to yourself. Somebody I don't know, maybe somebody's confusing you being a wealthy person who hoards. Because I'm getting somebody I say you're selfish or you stay to yourself. I'm getting you staying to yourself because you don't have money. Now I know people who have money and them stay to themselves, but I'm getting in your case, Gemini, 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Swords. I'm also getting Shark. So I'm getting you saying if I don't have money, I don't need no friends. I don't have no money, what am I do with girlfriend? I don't have any money. Perhaps this is the time to meditate and find out where I went wrong. Because a lot of people, when them in the 5 of Pentacles energy, them go for distractions. That's why a lot of homeless people get hooked on drugs. Them don't have anything, so them try to run to different people, different places. Them try to integrate with a lot of people, get a social support system. Yeah, but you don't have no money. Now, of course, if you don't have any money, making connections is the best thing. But when you don't have money, that's the time when you're supposed to take time for yourself. You don't have no money. Where you do out with girl? You don't have no money. Where you do out with friends? Now, maybe you're looking for an opportunity to get money, which is why you're trying to build a social circle. But I'm getting in your case, if you're in the 5 of Pentacles, stay in the 4 of Swords. Don't bother distract yourself. I'm getting there's a bigger purpose here. Maybe it's a pilgrimage you're going on or you're going through. I'm getting Shark. Maybe somebody came for collect. I'm getting it leave you homeless and broke, and the only place you can go right now to get food and shelter is a church. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Gemini. Me get in the church, I tell you to take off your clothes and wear the clothes what the church give you. So I'm getting some about you wear donation clothes from a church. Be very mindful. That sounds like spell work. But I mean, who am I to tell you that? You believe in the church, don't you? Let's go. We have the King of Pentacles. Woo! Okay, so the King of Pentacles is not the 5 of Pentacles. So what's happening? Are you pretending that you're broke to see if people are gonna help you? I'm getting you feel bored, which is the 4 of Swords. Maybe you're pretending, maybe you're undercover. I don't know if you're undercover and you're in the homeless system, like churches and homeless shelters, to see what's really happening. Maybe that's what you're doing, because the King of Pentacles have money. So is it that you pretend if you don't have money to see how much people really help you, how easy it is to navigate if you're homeless? Or I'm getting something about Shark. Stay alone. You'll get money, but you have to be alone. Alright? The King of Pentacles. We have the 2 of Pentacles. I'm getting something about a gamble, something about a bet. We have the 8 of Swords. We also have the Emperor, right? Maybe you're wondering if it's as easy if there's a man and a woman and both of them in the 4 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles energy, how easy it is for the man to get out of homelessness versus the woman. Maybe that's why you're maybe that's why you're undercover. Come and getting you said that one little risk, meeting the right people, get you back to the King of Pentacles. But me getting the women have to pass through the Emperor in order to get a chance. So the man them will get on because of the man them, but the girls them have to get on. Or me getting the girls them have it harder. Me getting yeah, realize that something is way more easier for the man them than it is for the women. We have a 10 of cups, yeah. So me getting something about your family. Me getting you're not being questioned about your family and if your family have money to help you, but the women are. Or the women are being forced to meet wealthy men to help them, but the men are being pushed into jobs. So I'm getting you say that something is rigged. Me getting you seeing that something works against the women. Unless the women get pregnant or unless the women try to meet a wealthy man, then the women have no chance of getting ahead. The men do. Me getting something about the homeless system, the shelter system, or perhaps when you're on the street, it's easier for men to get employed than women. Maybe you're seeing that, you're noticing that. The system is rigged for men. Duh. You didn't have to be homeless to know that. Me getting even in the church, it's rigged for the men, not for the women. The King of Pentacles is clarified by the Queen of Swords. Alright. Me getting you see that women spite women, but the women will give the men opportunities. So the man them need the girl them for opportunity, and the women are gonna spite the women. But me getting if you're a man, the women them will show you a lot of attention and put you on, and if you're a man, the man them are gonna help you. The Two of Pentacles is clarified, but yeah, another woman. Yeah, me getting the support system. Yeah, it's the devil. Me getting something corrupt. Me getting you one man and you say, look how much help me get. Look how much women want to help me. Because you one man. Had you been a woman, then you would see how much women are going against you. Can be getting something like that. The Eight of Swords is look, the devil again. Yeah. Because it's like the girl them get trapped by men or them get trafficked by men. And the women them who can give opportunities, them give to the man. Like something corrupt. Me getting you seeing how corrupt it is. It's corrupted. It's not the same. Like you have a lot of condoms in homeless shelters, but if the girl is caught fucking, she's a slut. But yeah, fucked too. So all you have condom that are there for men to use. Who the men them supposed to use a condom on? Other men? Maybe this is something about homosexuality in the shelter system. Or lesbianism in the shelter system. Because if you go to shelter them will provide you with condom easier than them providing you with a fucking bus token to go somewhere. So if the shelter provide condoms for the man them, who the man a fuck? Women? Okay. So are we saying that it's okay for men and women to have sex in the shelter system? So why is the sex being discriminated against the women then? If you provide a condom for the man them. Maybe getting you seeing that something is corrupt. It's corrupt for the woman. Only way out is to either have a baby or have a, I don't know. The Emperor is clarified by the Judgment card, and the Ten of Cups is clarified by the Terror, Rose of Fortune. That's like all of the men them get on, all of the men them get jobs, but the women are left behind to be sold to the men. Maybe this is something about very wealthy men looking for, I don't know if they might look for a wife, we don't know what the fuck them looking for, but apparently there's something about the shelter system helping, the shelter system selling women to wealthy men. Me getting, it's a hard way out for the women. Me getting the women them have a hard way out. I've been getting even when the women get a head start, even when the women them me getting even the jobs that they go to, the shelters, or the jobs are being told what kind of women they are to still control the environment. I'm getting you saying that, oh, we give support to the men the same way we give to the women. I'm getting that's a lie. The women don't have a way out. Because if a man fucking I want shelter, nobody say nothing. But if the girl fucking I want shelter, you're gonna hear she want prostitute, right? You're gonna hear she sell pussy. How you sell pussy at shelter? Everybody homeless. How much money I make? How much money are you really making if you're selling pussy at a shelter? $20? Yeah, sell pussy for $20. So the shelter system will more right now your file say this girl sell pussy for $20 if the man who fuck her come out with a claim like that. You see it rigged. I'm getting something rigged. It rigged. Cause me getting even workers at the shelters are fucking the girls. And then the homeless man at the shelter I fuck the girl them too. But the man them have a way out. Me getting the girls don't. Unless them get pregnant or unless them depend on a man. Them not have no way out. It corrupt, something corrupted. We have Libra. We have a number 6. We have Sagittarius. We have political agenda. And we also have Shark. Did we get Shark? Yeah, we got Shark. We got 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Swords, and Shark. Okay. Wait, Gemini. 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Swords, Shark. We got the Shark. Yeah, come getting you saying we're getting something like a change. Something going to change. Maybe when we're going to start separating the boys from the girls. Like permanently. We're getting the shelter system when we're going to shut it down and restart it. We're getting no co-head shelters. It's too corrupt. It's a corrupt. And time again I've been in shelters where the men them got the women drunk and raped them and stole them stuff. And when police was called, the police would stick them nose up at the women because they were fucking shelter men. But the shelter man them only fuck them, forget what they want out of them. So I'm getting something about the shelters cannot be co-head anymore. No co-head shelters. It have to be male or female. Make the man them fuck each other. Make the girl them fuck each other. We're getting no co-ed shelters no more. It have to change. It have to change. Because it has set the girl them behind. It has set the girl back. And people fucking at schools, people fucking at jobs, people are gonna fuck at shelter. Nobody works. And everybody depend, almost half of the people them depend drugs. We're getting no co-ed shelters anymore. None of that. None of that. One more. Yeah, evil just come out. It corrupted. And it set back the women. Yeah, Othicus. We're getting no more co-head. No more co-head places when it comes down to homeless shelter. It have to be strictly men or women. It's for the safety of women. You can't mix them with the man them. Especially when you have co-ed shelters, the man them come out of prison. In a prison, they don't mix the male and females. Don't mix them in the shelters either. Especially when them have access to drugs. You don't mix them. I'm going to leave it here, Gemini. Until next time, goodbye.